This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Sachin. I am working as a Salesforce consultant and today I am going to discuss about batch Apex class in Salesforce. So we will start with the help of example. With the help of example, it will be more clear to us. So suppose let's think there is one requirement, means write a program which updates the account name in the account object with the keyword test after the account name. So suppose we have to perform the update functionality which update the all the account name, means we need to add the test keyword after all the account name. So that we are going to perform with the help of batch apex class. So I'm moving towards my org. I already created the program, so in this way it will consume less time. So look, I created one batch apex class with the name of batch account update dot apxc. Actually, a batch extension of batch apex class is also same dot apxc as our apex class. Moreover, batch apex class will work in three methods. First one is start method, execute method, and third one is finish method. In this way, so in this method, first we need to write code to perform batch job for processing the record. In this way, global class batch accounts update implements. In this way, it will create the batch. Then second one is start method. In start, this one is our start method. So in start method, we need to first we need to select the data from our database. So this is syntax for our start method, this one, in this way. And second one is execute method. In execute method, we need to perform whatever we are going to perform. The functionality means whatever we are willing to perform. And suppose here we are going to perform the update functionality where we need to add test keyword after each account name and press Control S. In this way it gets saved. This is execute method. In execute method, we are performing our functionality. Third one is finish method. This finish method is a method which takes place once the execute method finished completely. Means suppose we have to send email and all once finish the execute method, so we need to send email and any functionality we have to perform, so that we are going to write in this finish method. So in this way, batch apex class will work in with these three methods. Yeah. One more thing. Suppose this is our account standard object. Yeah. Yeah. This one. This one is our account standard object. So after all this account name, we are going to add test keyword with the help of this batch apex class. So I'm going to execute this batch apex class. So we need to press on debug, open execute anonymous window. In this way, then I entered some code batch account update b is equal to new. In this way, I'm going to execute. But before this, I'm going to tell you that I also set the breakpoints to perform the debugging in our apex class. So once it will get executed, we will debug, we will understand the code line by line. Yeah. So I'm going to debug, open execute anonymous window, then I am going to perform execute. Yeah. In this way, it is executed. Wait a minute. I'm going to show you the code. Yeah. First ever, I am going to retrieve mm, yeah, string line number 11 in this. My defined query, yeah, then 25 on line 25. Yeah, in this way it to pull the data, and yeah, in this way it is adding test keyword after all the account name. Salesforce test, any data I'm going to test. So in this way, it is, it added the test keyword. Yeah, here also once we are going to check this. Yeah, in this way this test keyword is getting added, and look how fast it to update all the data. Suppose we have a number of data, we have thousands and millions of data. So in that case batch apex class will be helpful us. It Yeah, let's discuss something more about batch apex class. Yeah, in this way. Yeah, yeah. It also mentions that batch apex class is used to process large amount of data on a daily basis. So it will create small batches of records and then it would be get evaluated. Yeah, these are the advantages. Whenever transaction is executed, batch apex ensure that the code stays with the governor limits. And once the batch apex class, it executed in the batches. So one suppose first third batch is executed, so it will not start it until second batch will get finished. So it will helpful in large number of database, and it will create batch of 200 records. Yeah. And why batch apex class is better than normal apex class? This. So in the term of SQL queries, normal apex class uses 100 records per cycle, but batch apex class uses 200 records per cycle. Second one is retrieval of SQL queries. Normal apex can retrieve 50,000 SQL queries, and this batch apex class is about something more than means 5 crore SQL queries can be retrieved. It is very big data, and heap size is also better in batch apex class. And in the terms of error, when executing bulk records, normal apex classes are more vulnerable to encounter errors as compared to batch apex. Yeah, these are the methods in we already discussed: start method, execute, and finish method, and these are the syntaxes in batch apex class. Yeah. So this was all about batch apex class. I hope you like this video. Thank you for your timing. Suppose you have any query and you need any support, so please feel free to contact us on these details. These are our contact details. You can drop us a mail on this support@bisptrainings.com. Moreover, you can call on this number also. And on our bispsolutions.com website, you will get all our code also, so you can understand that code, you can debug that code. So it will be more good for us. So that's was all about batch apex class. Thank you for your timing. Bye bye.